Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another episode of Sneaker Sundays.
Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?
In this episode of Sneaker Sundays, we're talking about one of the best releases of 2018, in my opinion. This shoe, it didn't really gain too much attention because it was overhyped by a couple of other Jordan 3s that came out this year. You had the Justin Timberlake 3s, you had the Black Cement 3s that came out this year, but this Jordan 3 to me was one of the best, man. One of the best 3s that came out in recent memory, man. And this guy who designed this shoe, this is his first sketch of the shoe, and this is what the Jordan 3 is supposed to look like. But before we get into that, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop on our next videos. We got a lot of different content on this channel. So just check us out, man. We got a couple of different videos about a couple different things, man, that you guys will be interested in. Just give us a shot, man. Enough with the talking, man. Let's get into this shoe. Here we go, man. The Tinker Hatfield 3s. As you can see, I got the red in the back there. It's a red. It looks like a regular black white cement 3, but has a couple different things going on here. You can check the back. Got the red in the back there. Got the black midsole here. Flipping the inside, same thing going on. Check that out. Fire. As you can see, the tag is different. It says it got a signature with the Jordan logo here. That's different. We're gonna get into the shoe now, man. Put that one down. So we got the Tinker Hatfield signature in there also. It's definitely a clean shoe, man. It's very clean, man. And for me, actually trying the shoe on, it's very, very comfortable shoe, man. Like, typically Jordan 3s are one of the more comfortable Jordans, but it's usually not the most comfortable Jordan. But man, this shoe here is really, really comfortable. I don't know what they did different in this one. Maybe the quality is different. That's why the price point was at $200 instead of $190. But clean shoe, very comfortable, man. And the funny thing is, these things are still on the market, man. Like, people didn't run out. It wasn't too much hype on them. It got overhyped, like I mentioned earlier, by the GT3, really pretty much overhyped and killed this shoe. But this shoe here, man, beautiful shoe, man. You guys should definitely watch this whole video, get this whole, get to look at it. It's a clean shoe, man, very comfortable, man, and it's available still in stores, man. So reach out to your neighborhood store and get your hands on a pair of these, man, because it's a very clean shoe, man. It has a lot of details on it, man, and everything, man. Like, we're gonna talk about the insole, man. You can see the insole here. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see that. Size 9, that's my size. You can see that I got the signature and also got the shoe right there. You guys can check that out, But man, this is clean, man. It has the good premium leather on here, man. White shoelaces, OGs, man. I know you got the Katrina 3s coming out soon, man, but this one right here is clean, man. It got the Nike check here. That's typically not on any retro 3. This is the first sketch. This is what it's supposed to look like. Got the check there. The shoe also reminds me of the, if you guys are familiar with sneakers, there's a Nike shoe called the Flight 89s. Kind of look just like this shoe, but the check is a little shorter. There's a couple of different things on there. It has the same type air bubble on it and everything. As you can see in the inside, it has the Nike right in here in gray. You guys can see that, man. This is a clean shoe, man. Clean, man. Check this joint out, man. I can see a lot of people rocking this in the summertime. With your tech shorts, your sweat shorts, with your tech sweatpants you can wear right now, a little sweatsuit, man. Clean shoe, man. I definitely think, man, people should really get their hands on this shoe, man. Jesus. Clean. You don't get no cleaner than this. A lot of guys, you guys out here chasing all the hype, man. Forget about the hype, man. Let's talk about what you can do with a shoe, what you can wear with a shoe. A lot of sneakers that's coming out, a lot of people ain't wearing, a lot of people don't really like them, but they buying them off the hype. Drop the hype, man. Get what you like. Drop the hype and get what you like. Hashtag that, somebody. Clean shoe, man. I love it. Love it, man. Nike definitely did their thing with this one, man. But let me know what you guys think, man. If you guys think this shoe is not a good shoe, you guys don't feel like it's taken away from the OG effect of the Retro 3, let me know, man. Let's speak on it, man. That's what we're here for. You guys leave comments below. I'll always respond to the comments. Let's talk about it. It's a debate, man. A lot of people feel different. People wear different things. People have different styles. So, let's debate on it, man. Let's talk about it. I'm with that, man. But I gotta rate it. I gotta rate the shoe, the moment y'all been waiting for. So, you know, that being said, man, out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to give this man 4.5, man. It's too clean, man. Despite the fact that the Retro 3 is one of my favorite Jordans of all time, man. But this shoe, man, it's already a clean silhouette. They added the swoosh on here, what made it, you know, it's a little more clean. I got the Nike on the inside. This red right here, it makes the shoe pop more, you know. Yeah, like you can't. It don't get no cleaner than this, man. Don't get no cleaner than this. The reason why I gave it 4.5 is because it's comfortable. It's really comfortable. Like you could wear this shoe all day. It's very comfortable, man. Get out there and try it on, man. It's still in stores, man. Get out there, try it on, and you know, and you get a judge for yourself, man. But don't knock it till you try it, man. It's a very, very clean shoe. Clean is the way to go in the summertime. You don't want to be doing too much out here looking crazy, man. Clean is the way to go, man. But like I said, I got it 4.5 out of 5 pennies, man. A lot of people might say that's a higher, you know, rating, but you know, leave in the comments below. We definitely could talk about it. But before we end this video, you already know we got that penny for your thoughts merch. See, I got the navy blue long sleeve on today. You know, got the penny for your thoughts here. We got some different merch coming out right now. We run into some technical difficulty, but we got some stuff coming, man. So just be on the lookout for that. And with that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.
Can I offer you a penny for your thoughts?